Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different recipes that you can make to lighten your buttocks, and I know you are going to love this recipe. It's so easy to make. Subscribe work very well. You know turmeric can help restore your natural glow and treat uneven skin tone. Also can lighten because turmeric contains a lot of antioxidant. Next, store your scribe in a clean sanitized container. You store it inside. So all you are going to do is to use this scribe 3 times a week. All you have to do is to use it to scribe your buttocks and leave it on for 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you can before you wash it off. I promise you, within 2 weeks you are going to see difference. Your buttocks is going to lighten, and I know you are going to be very, very happy. If you didn't add preservative to it, you can store it in the fridge for 2 weeks if you didn't add preservative to it, but if you did, it's going to help keep it long. So the next recipe is Lighten Buttocks cream. This is so easy to make because this one I'm not going to add emulsifying wax in this, and you are not coming to tell me you don't have emulsifying wax. All I'm using is Ellen Beauty Whitening Lotion, which is very good lotion. It have a very good reviews, but you can use any lighting or whitening lotion of your choice. Next, I'm using carotone serum. It contains kojic acid. That's one thing I love about this serum. It can lighten difficult places that we can lighten it. You also need a Filipino whitening set. This I heard is organic. I don't know how truthful it is, but I know it's work and people have been using it. So we are going to use 1 tablespoon of each, 1 tablespoon of the powder and 1 tablespoon of the solution. Then we will mix them together very well. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my second YouTube channel, please from here go there and subscribe. The name is Queen Mother DIY TV. There too I post skincare recipe, food recipe, crocheting, and everything that my hand can do. So please go and subscribe for me. I beg you, please. I need you there. I just want to share with you people. Anyway, you mix everything together very well, and this powder, it's whitens skin very well, very fast. I have tried it and it whitens skin very fast, and it's very good. So if you don't have it, you can use any whitening powder of your choice. If you know you have a whitening powder that works, don't worry, you can use it and it's going to work. So we are going to also add 2 tablespoons of Ellen whitening lotion, which is very good. It have very good review. But if you don't have Ellen whitening lotion, please use any whitening lotion that you have that you think it works, and add 1 teaspoon of carotone serum or any kojic acid serum of your choice to it. Then we are going to stir the mixture together. Yeah, it's simple, very simple. This one I didn't use any preservative, any emulsifying wax. So those who will come and comment, I don't have emulsifying wax in this today, I don't need that comment, please. So store in a nice sanitized container, and you are going to use this cream twice a day. It will lighten your buttocks very fast. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. And don't forget to comment. Bye bye.
Let's go.